In the competitive world of telecommunications, consumers have a multitude of choices for their mobile phone service. Beyond the major carriers that own and operate their extensive network infrastructure, there's a significant segment of providers known as mobile virtual network operators, or MVNOs. Patriot Mobile is one such MVNO that has gained considerable attention, not just for its service offerings but also for its stated mission and values. When considering a switch to an MVNO like Patriot Mobile, a critical question for any informed consumer or business owner, especially from an accounting management perspective, is, which underlying service provider does Patriot Mobile actually use? As an accounting management expert, understanding the operational underpinnings of any service provider you engage with is crucial for several reasons: reliability, coverage, cost-effectiveness, and even risk management. When it comes to mobile services, an MVNO doesn't own its cell towers or network infrastructure. Instead, it leases access to the networks of the major carriers. This model allows MVNOs to offer competitive pricing and unique value propositions without the enormous capital expenditure of building and maintaining a nationwide network. The straightforward answer regarding Patriot Mobile is that they are unique in the MVNO landscape. Patriot Mobile utilizes the networks of all three major U.S. carriers: AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon. This is a significant differentiator. Most MVNOs typically partner with just one of the major networks. For instance, some MVNOs might exclusively use Verizon's network, while others might be on T-Mobile's. Patriot Mobile, however, has structured its service to leverage the infrastructure of the big three. What does this multi-network approach mean for you? From an accounting and management perspective, this multi-network approach offers several key implications. Enhanced coverage and reliability. One of the primary concerns when choosing a mobile provider is coverage. By having access to AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon's networks, Patriot Mobile theoretically offers broader and potentially more consistent coverage across the United States. If one network has a weak signal in a particular area, the ability to switch to another might mean continued service where a single network MVNO might fail. This reduces the risk of communication breakdowns, which can have tangible financial impacts on a business: lost calls, missed deadlines, disrupted operations, flexibility in addressing service issues. Patriot Mobile explicitly highlights a coverage guarantee. This means if you're experiencing persistent service issues on the network you're currently connected to, for example, if your device is defaulting to AT&T towers but T-Mobile has better coverage in your specific location, Patriot Mobile has the capability to switch your service to a different underlying network for free. From an accounting management viewpoint, this flexibility can prevent the need for costly plan changes, device replacements, or even the loss of business due to unreliable communication. It offers a form of built-in redundancy that is valuable. Cost management and value proposition. MVNOs typically offer more budget-friendly plans than the major carriers, as they don't bear the full cost of network maintenance. Patriot Mobile's ability to access all three networks allows them to still offer competitive pricing while providing a premium on coverage flexibility. For businesses, optimizing communication costs without sacrificing reliability is a significant line item in the budget. Operational consistency. For businesses or individuals whose operations span various geographic areas, knowing that their mobile service is backed by all major networks provides a layer of consistency. Sales teams traveling across states, field service technicians, or remote employees will likely experience fewer dead zones or connectivity issues, leading to more productive work hours and less operational friction. How does this multi-network MVNO model work? It's important to clarify that while Patriot Mobile uses all three networks, it doesn't mean your phone is constantly switching between them in real time based on the strongest signal like some advanced enterprise solutions. Typically, when you sign up with Patriot Mobile, your SIM card, or eSIM, is provisioned to primarily use one of the underlying networks, e.g., Verizon's. However, if you encounter persistent coverage issues, you can contact Patriot Mobile's customer support, and they have the capability to reprovision your service to a different network, AT&T or T-Mobile, based on what works best in your area. This usually requires a new SIM card if you're using a physical one. For their wireless hotspot devices, Patriot Mobile indicates that these leverage patented vSIM technology to seamlessly connect to the best local mobile networks. suggesting a more dynamic network selection for these specific devices. This is particularly beneficial for remote work setups or mobile businesses requiring consistent internet access.